Y'all, so we just landed in LAX. I didn't even say anything. We just landed in LAX.
Never been in LA before, y'all.
Look at that. That's my JLB. Hey, babe.
You say it worked at Mac. I tried to tell you, you should have did that.
Babe, I gotta call a week in advance to get hours. I can't just, hey, I'm here. We got our rental.
Got the rental. We in this thing.
We got it from Enterprise.
Yeah, because Turo was tripping. Can't fuck with them.
I look kind of decent, like.
You look good, girl. You look good.
Like, we look good. He's carrying me.
What room number did you say?
It is room 613. Oh my God! I just got in a car accident. He's trying to hurt me again. It's so pretty. Look at the view. Babe, look how pretty this is.
Oh yeah, they said a nigga.
Y'all look at me. I look like a little boy. I'm gonna get right, but y'all know I be lazy on my flights, for real. I go to the beach. What beach we going to? Venice Beach. And yeah.
I believe Venice Beach got the pier. We're gonna go see the pier. You know what I'm saying? It's a ride. We can ride on the shit too.
So we're gonna go to the beach, go eat, go to the mall, gotta get my souvenirs. Y'all know I collect shit, so gotta go get some stuff.
Come on, baby, y'all.
Ready?
Yeah. No. Can I get a large fry? A strawberry banana smoothie?
That's right.
Large.
Chicken large strawberry banana smoothie. It's only gonna be $10.37.
Thank you.
Hey, I like the honey bourbon ones more. The woods.
Man, Russian cream, bro.
I got a packed house yelling, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. I'm a hot girl yelling, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. All the dope boys yelling, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. The backstage yelling, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. You wanna be
I give me a little short stay, and it's cold anyway. Like, I did not expect it to be this cold outside. The little outfit cute.
I told her the beach was cold. Y'all, she's lying. I told her that the beach was cold. She knew the beach was cold. So pull them up again. Yeah, we made those. Yes, sir.
That's gonna be cute. Thank you. a dog. I was just looking at myself. And how many pieces I had? I had 3 pieces in the churro. You had 2 pieces. No, one pizza. You had 1.5. You had 1.5 pizza in the churro. What are we finna do now? Oh, you said we finna go to the... Yeah, whatever that is. That was really decent. So fun. Oh, Pat McGrath. They got Gucci in this Sephora. Ain't that something? Took me shopping again. But now he's getting me this little outfit to match the Nikes. Oh my God. Here you go. Well, damn.
What, the light?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you what this video look like.
So
I'm gonna show
I got
you what
the
this
lobster and crab leg combo. So half a pound of crab leg and 1 lobster. What you got? Some fish.
Some bustin' ass lemon fish. That shit good. I know these people need.
We're at Ocean Town. I forgot that quote. Babe, we should have got the lobster mac and cheese. Because you ain't even tried those. Good morning, guys. We just woke up. As y'all see, everything is all over the room, but checkout is at 11, so we're getting ready to pack up and go. And I wanted to show y'all some pickups I got while I was here. I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Protect Pill. I really got this because I needed some good sunscreen. This heat out here is something else. Like, this sun is ridiculous, so I needed something really good to protect my skin. So I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Pill. I've never tried Dr. Dennis, nor have I tried like a pill, so this is gonna be something new for me. Got me some concealer and powder because I was running out. Not even running out, bitch. I didn't even have it. Like, I didn't even bring this shit, so, oh shit. So how the fuck am I supposed to do my makeup if I don't have concealer or loose powder? Like, it don't make sense. I got the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the color SH61. Oh, no. In the color medium, 33N. And I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the color Butter. And I have this in Cashew, but Cashew was too dark, so I use it on my clients. Where we at? Where we at?
Yeah, on the pier.
The pier in Santa Monica, right?
Yeah, Santa Monica.
Look at the little kitty. Look cute. Oh, look at the Ferris wheel. I love Ferris wheels. Oh yeah, bring me some. Isn't that cute? I love pink, so I just had to get it. Oh no, I don't do roller coasters, babe.
You do today?
No, let's do the
That big.
boy, look at the trees coming. Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna scream. Oh my god. Are we gonna go all the way to the top? Look how cute the candle is.
beach, sand from right from the beach.
Huh?
I said we're sand right from the beach.
What's the call?
What's what?
What you want to do? Oh,
And it don't change if I had it my way.
we went to the Bubba Gump. Yeah, this is a Forrest Gump place or whatever it's called. Look at my baby.
They shot the movie here.
Look at my baby burn mark. So sad. But I got crab legs. He thought he was getting a sandwich, but
I thought it was a shrimp mac and cheese. I mean a shrimp mac and cheese, grilled cheese, but it was the shrimp mac and cheese in a bowl in a pot.